In the past, our customers have had to use multiple pieces of equipment to access a job site. Enter the Fat Truck. It has a climate-controlled cab with room for 8 people. And then you can link that with an amphibious trailer or a powered rear vehicle to haul your equipment.
The shoulder season is really challenging because you've got a combination of thawed and frozen terrain. And so you could be driving across a lake that's frozen, but there's not enough ice to support the equipment. And so you can break through. That's really where the Fat Truck excels, because the Fat Truck is fully amphibious.